Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, there was an error connecting to the platform with the error code VAL29, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Valorant easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here add or remove programs, and here you're going to search for Vanguard. Here it is, just uninstall Riot Vanguard from here, and once you're done uninstalling it, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Riot Client, and then it's going to ask you to update and reinstall Vanguard on your computer. So just do it. Here it will say update, and once you click onto that, it will download Vanguard, and then it will ask us to restart our computer, but we're not going to do that. Now we're going to open up our start menu. We're going to write here run, and then we're going to write here services.msc. And here you need to search for the service called VGC. So just click onto any service, press V on your keyboard. Here it is, right click on it, click properties, and then you're gonna click startup type, set it to automatic. After that, click start and it will start the VGC process. And after that, you're gonna close this, you're gonna open up your web browser. Now you're gonna search for Cloudflare WAP. You're gonna go ahead and download this software on your computer. And once it's done downloading, you're gonna install it. And after you're done installing it, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, open up the Cloudflare WAP software. Now you're going to come here and then click onto the settings icon, click onto 1.1.1.1 with warp connected, and then open up the Riot Client. And now you'll see that you will be able to play Valorant and you will not get that VAL29 error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.